Hey, how's it going? It's Ollie here. So, thumbnails on YouTube are like billboards for your content, right? They determine how many views you're going to get on each video. So, how do you make great thumbnails without graphic design, without Photoshop, and for 100% free? Well, I'm going to walk you through how I do it in less than a couple minutes in this video. So, first of all, what we want to do is we want to go to google.com and type in Canva. All right, alternatively, you can just go straight to canva.com. Now, you go there, you're probably going to have to create an account. It takes like 2 seconds. Once you're inside, you'll see a page, something like this. Now, when you're inside, they already have a YouTube thumbnail template, so it saves you finding out the dimensions, having to figure all that stuff out manually. So search YouTube, click YouTube thumbnail, and it will take you to a page with tons of YouTube thumbnail templates. Now, we can pick one of these and it'll already be halfway to what we want to create. For example, this one already looks pretty good. Right, so there's a picture on the left, there's some text on the right, and this is the formula I like to use with my thumbnails. If you look at my channel, especially when this video is uploaded right now, this is what I'm doing a lot of. So what you can do is upload your own picture and replace the picture that's on the current thumbnail. Right, so let's say I wanted to use this one. I can drag it on and it will instantly replace the picture. They're super easy, it's already done. And then with the text, instead of just writing what's in the title, right, so having the text from the title and the thumbnail, think about the number one thing that will draw in people to watch your video and put that in the text. That's the secret to making a great thumbnail. So for me, I think there's two things in this video that make it really appealing, which is probably why you're watching it. Number one is the fact that this is 100% free. So I'm going to put that in there. And number two, I'm going to press copy and I'm going to type no Photoshop. I think that's probably another thing that makes this video quite appealing, because that means you don't have to buy any software, you don't have to learn how to use any software, and you can get started right now. So what I like to do to make these thumbnails really eye-catching is I like to do two different fonts. The first font I like to use is usually like what I call like a straight font, like it looks kind of quite formal and, you know, with clean lines. The best example of that, in my opinion, is Montserrat Extra Bold, so I like to use that. The second font, I like to contrast the first one, maybe have something that jumps off the page a little bit more, maybe looks a bit more hand-drawn. For this, I like to use Abyss, Abyss, however it's pronounced, right? You can, however, find out whatever fonts you like, and obviously it's up to you. So from here, it's really, really easy to tweak all the elements of the thumbnail template they've given you. For example, I'm not sure I like this squiggly line thing, so I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to change this background to something a little bit darker, maybe a bit more bold, just to make the text pop a little more. Also, I'm thinking we should graphically represent something that's cool that's happening in the video. So I think the fact that we have no Photoshop could be something we could represent with a picture. So let's drag the Photoshop logo onto the page. Right, I've downloaded this just from Google Images. Drag it onto the page, put it here, and then go to elements on the left and you can grab elements. So if I get maybe a line or something like that, I can grab this line here, resize it. You can turn it to the side. You can change the color using this thing here, right? Let's maybe make it red and maybe copy as well and turn it the other way. And we could make a big cross, put it over Photoshop so people can see at a glance you don't need any software or any Photoshop skills to learn how to do this process, right? So now we already have a really good thumbnail that we can put on a video, and this should hopefully get me more views for this video. So if you want to get more videos like this on how to build content, how to attract people with digital marketing, then click subscribe for more videos. I like to make them concise, helpful. I hope this was useful for you. If you like to, then share it with your friends and let them know this is the best way to make a YouTube thumbnail. And there's tons of links in the description to help you build a business using digital marketing, sell digital products and stuff like that. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you very soon.